I'm so bored. Let's have a race.
A race?
Yeah, great. Everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, Oh, mechanics, we are hurt. Please help us.
No problem. Follow me. Hey, car, come inside. Let me take a close look. You are so dusty, I can help you. Let's take a bath with many colored bubbles. White here, white there. Wow, so clean.
My headlight is broken. Please check it.
Okay. Hey, car, come inside. Let me take a close look. A dim headlight, I can help you. Let's put in a new light, big and bright, shining, shining all around. Hey, car, come inside. Let me take a close look. What's wrong with you? I can fix anything. Hey, magic toolbox, come and help me out now. Pliers, spanner, screwdriver.
My tire is flat. Can you change it?
Sure. Hey, car, come inside. Let me take a close look. A worn tire, I can help you. Let's change your tire, nice and round. It's all fixed now, off you go. It's all fixed now, on you go.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Please be more careful from now on.
Yes, we will.